Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English with movies. First, select films you truly enjoy. This keeps you motivated. Begin by watching with English subtitles to understand the main story and context. Don't worry about every single word initially. Your primary goal is to grasp the overall plot and identify new vocabulary in a natural setting. This foundational step sets you up for deeper learning. Next, dive deeper into the language. Rewatch short, impactful scenes, perhaps just 2 or 3 minutes long, this time without subtitles. Focus intently on how words are pronounced, the rhythm of sentences, and natural intonation. Jot down any interesting phrases, common idioms, or slang you hear. This active listening and note-taking process helps you internalize authentic English usage, moving beyond just understanding individual words. Now it's time to actively practice. Try mimicking dialogue aloud, repeating lines exactly as you hear them. This significantly boosts your speaking fluency and helps refine your accent. Additionally, write short summaries or reviews of the movies you watch. This is excellent for improving your written English. If possible, discuss the plots and characters with English-speaking friends to engage in real-time conversation practice. Finally, consistency is key. Aim to dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes each day to this method. Make use of helpful resources like online dictionaries or language learning applications for quick word lookups. Regularly revisit your favorite movie scenes or even entire films to reinforce vocabulary and grammar. This consistent, multifaceted approach will significantly accelerate your English language learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.